What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome freebie for you all to check out. Yes, another freebie, but this one is nice. It just dropped in the Gear Manager store. This one is coming from Bergen, and Bergen always gets down on some nice watch faces. Now, I want to thank this guy in the door because he offers up a lot of free watch faces, and definitely I appreciate it. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's have a closer look at this watch face. First of all, the name of the watch face is called Gear Freelander. I'm loving the name of this watch face. First of all, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the same design, same layout, and it's going to have a different color theme than what you see when the watch face is on. But once it's on, it looks good. The blend of colors in this watch face is perfect. The layout of all the information is on point. My man got down. 4 thumbs up in the door for the design of this watch face. Now, what I really like about this one, which is different, is that you got white analog hands. They look stylish. It really brings out the watch face. This video is not going to do it justice. You got to see this thing in person. Remember, it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. But let's dig deeper. Now, I like that you got the 12 and the 6. That gives it a sleeker look, right? A more premium look and feel. Now, you're going to get a couple of dials. Now, in this dial, you're going to get the day of the week. You're going to also get an arrow to let you know what day of the week it is. Over here, you're going to get your step information. Now, what I like about the step information, you also get information on your goal completed as well. So when you complete your goal, you're going to get a green flag. I thought that was super slick. Let's give them another thumbs up for that one. And down at the bottom, you are going to get digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds, people. Yes, you're going to get information on calories burned. You're going to get your date information. You're going to also get your heart rate and miles walked or ran as well. Now, down at the bottom, it makes the watch face super convenient. So if you need to go into settings, you need to go into weather with a single tap, you can. Same thing for your email. And you can make a phone call at any given time by one single tap, which I thought was pretty cool. And yes, people, the watch face is interactive. So if I tap here, I can go into my calendar, set an event. I can go into my step status information in this dial. And if I double tap on the 12, I can customize the color theme. Now, I made it a bright yellow. The video isn't going to do it justice, as I told you, because now it's more of an orange color, right? Now, if I tap right here, I can set my favorite. He gives you one, which is pretty cool. That's all you need, right? And here, that's going to be your battery info. Now, if your watch is full, it's going to show up green, right? Now, if it's down to 15%, it's going to show up red. Again, Bergen got down, and I'm not surprised because the guy always gets down on some awesome watch faces. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to download it or if you're going to leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, I enjoyed doing this video. I know I've been pushing out a lot of videos as well, so thank you for the love and the support on the channel. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again at the next one. Take care.